Hello, my name is Ogechi Madukoma. I'm the MDC of Glomajos Enterprises and also the lead trainer at Glomajos Skills Acquisition Center. At Glomajos, we produce very effective and also very affordable NAFDAC approved products. We have 3 products right now. We have this Lorima toilet bowl cleaner, we have the Lorima laundry bar soap, and we have the Lorima liquid detergent. Thank you so much, Flourish, for this opportunity. If I get this Flourish grant, what I'll be working on, what I'll be using the money majorly for is for my packaging. As you can see, this packaging is not very smooth because I use heat gun. But if I'm able to get the grant, I'll be able to get a machine that will help me really smoothing this packaging, because of this challenge. I only supply to hotels right now, that the end users. I supply to hotels, I supply to schools, and I supply to consumers. We do doorstep delivery because they use it themselves. We are not able to put this product on the shelves of supermarket because they don't accept it. But if I'm able to get the grant, I'll be able to work on this packaging, and also my bar soap that is naked, I'll be able to package it very well and also put it on the shelves of supermarket, which will help increase my turnover and also increase my production, and it will also help me to employ more hands, you see, because of the increased sales. It also, at Glomajos, we don't only sell, we also train others interested in our line of business. We don't just train them, we help them, we guide them through the process of getting their NAFDAC, of sourcing raw material, of packaging, and until they are able to establish on their own, therefore making them also employers of labor. Thank you so much once more, Flourish. This is the soap. We did these ones yesterday. You can see they are very strong already. We did them yesterday evening. Certain times I can just pack them in simple nylons like this for my customers, those that want them packed. Just simple nylon, put them in cartons that is already customized. Just push, continue pushing. This soap will foam as much as, look at how